Okay, so for the graphs of sine and cosine, there are a couple things you need to remember. The first one, you just need to remember what your x and y values are for 4 points, which are 0, and I'm talking in degrees right now, pi halves degrees, pi degrees, and 3 pi over 2 degrees, okay, or radians, excuse me. Anyway, so the only reason you need to know these 4 points is because your sine of x is going to correspond to your y values of each of these. Your cosine of x is going to correspond to your x values, okay? So moving over here, now this, all you do is you graph out your 4 main radians, which are 0, pi halves, pi, and 3 pi halves. So at 0, your x value is 1 and your y value is 0. Okay, so then you got to remember, okay, cosine of x is x, sine of x is y. So we'll deal with sine of x right now. So our y value at 0 radians is 0. Okay, so then, and then our y value of pi halves is 1, y value of pi is 0 again, and then y value of 3 pi halves is negative 1. And then, so this is the graph of sine of x. Okay, so then for cosine of x, all you're doing is the exact same thing. You use those 4 basic points, 0, pi halves, pi, and 3 pi halves, and you take the x values. So you're going to start at 1, and then when you get to pi halves, x value is 0, pi is negative 1, 3 pi halves is 0. So this is your graph of cosine of x. Okay, that's all.